Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to St. Andrews, Manitoba, and the neighborhood of Les Crossing. This area sits along the Red River where people have lived for centuries. St. Andrews is one of the oldest settled areas in the province, with roots going back to the early 1800s. The community grew around the river, which was once the main highway for trade and travel. Over time, farms and homes spread out from this simple beginning. Whether you're visiting for the scenery, the history, or just a quiet drive, St. Andrews and Les Crossing offer a warm welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of St. Andrews, Manitoba.
Thanks for watching!